You were deep for you, mammy, more mujis. That we will into the deep down into the prophetic word Nankasa and no more way. We go on your view, but now we both left him as Kawash and I. Obey them. Why be actually young? Obey them.
Too much GH. We are Buewate. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Shonko and Koma for any Ashefolina. Any day so Munia ba Moson for Mexicana mede and somewhat a trendy ever my move ever so mona Ghana for you name you say. Ekobas Honorable Kennedy Japan member of Ascent Central. Eddie expose be last year just say the best share so ana do na jimbe piemu a branti and jinde ibra one. Ni dimbe pie mo since then Ghana for ya sumu enjoy anything abrantie we to ni tesi ya Honorable Kennedy Japan ada portray ni threat there dani da na chese ba na eba na enu echi no ene ni ye bia wo ye nso ni na kasasa abrantie wo no de amanyoku a wo ta echi ana se na kuma di echi pa eye NDC amanyoku na etie for na hwefo enko ba se eye amanyoku NDC Elusu election course on the 7th December 2020 ya banti chese ne bodie enjo ne ye na ama wa nani acha na ni nton a chese wo sorry a we na usu bempa de Ghana for ene eni mu se wo de ne mpa ibo wo de na komo de ni bibia tayamanyoku MPP echi ne mpa ibo ni na enti Ghana for ni mu no wo sa de no na dodo na so eni ewo ne ho na brantin so etu nenite esi eye Reverend Owusu Bempa de ni nemu so na eye flag bearer wono so da eye MPP amanyoku no ono so chese wetu nenite edi esi no na brantin mribisi ebeka ya wo ba out ebeka se eye Reverend Owusu Bempa bibi ebesi like bibi betu no na enu echi no or confirm me say honorable president Mufanche me is excellent na dan kwade she enye no na emu nkofuku a wo motale chi o mokan bebre ebe hwere ne kwanatifo ni asa beto mo ne say ye abrantie we asa akeka ne ho biem na sesi ade ne wo kan say eye Owusu Bempa is stupid fake pastor just say I know shit wo susu say ye papa Reverend Owusu Bempa no oye stupid sebi esa ye fake account che say oni nyame ni nketa ho bia na tefo ma me fa ne nsam no se na odi tu dwa ne fa tu dwa ma na me fa ma na enti say na wo kan so Owusu Bempa is one stupid fake pastor who thinks he can fool Ghanaians. We patiently waiting to see if truly Nana Addo will be sworn as the president. For one say I'm sick of any tasting of who be so a president come now saying them or the betu just say a president or person what the former president only baby called John Rawlings or person what didn't phone no quiet ritual say and see what was a beca say a die a busy inauguration never also no and yeah idea better say president you bet me as well in power into power just say ambassador na sisi an wosa di so say wo twe enimu pa na etiefo ensem yi enkyire mu wo mi twa me waba na me dia besomo Mima obibia akwa shonko etiefo mensa kaye papa wa ha eye prophet Bernard Esia Moda Holy Ghost and Fire Prayer Ministry ache say ye be pense mo mani ndi echi odifo mema wa papa shonko
Jusu Baba.
Now you said the leader.
Amen.
Anybody and echo.
Nyamia Dumara Kwane, the Bammunti, a more than Pastor Chokum.
Yo, now, only for share a year, I said me about the 2 Jaya. We did this our drink, my drink, anything.
The Kanamamentia too much to a tea food now, we fear teaching the venture. Makase. Enipa me no manya asem ne ntokwa no ensem ni bi wa mo kan e no kore e bi su nye no kore e na mefoa boy ya no kasai Ibrawan. If one is in Miss Baby, Fwasso. So, yet here is unse, you were Janano, or no name your take. Ena, Mamimra, Udifo, Cane. Mekan say, unse Udifo biara, or yet genu biano. Said the Bible, the kind, who only say we were genuine. So what I say, ye young coupon on your altar of confusion. Said the Corunto form woman kind. So, on your altar of confusion, and a ubemua, who can carry Timothy woman one, or say, me me for whom shoot any bind beer. So, what was that? It should bind a woman tamwa, only me me for. Me patrons and identity.
For me, dear,
Aha, to say, Alpha say, oh, me me for woman ya barefoot. Woman kasa boom 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 boom. Woman ma so. Me for enyensa. Woman ya mape. Woman ni shida ho. Ade ni woman ti bi hwe mfi hwi and some be hwe nyame asaf. 1 Timothy chapter 3 verse 1 to 6 and Deuteronomy Deuteronomy chapter 14 verse number 9 to 14 and also and I won't say nowadays no you may be a young man for being ama the whole scenario na kwa bibi ho ejubons asubesi na obinti to be casting bi enye so no na ni pa kan Bible say by their fruit we shall know them.
That Odifo de mami chipping. Abrantie we ututu say owo wo kwan say wo kasasa. Esa say ye nan nim say eba na Odifo a rebe na wusu bempa. Ghana for ye nim no for the prophecy. Ye nim rebe na wusu bempa for oil. Ye nim no for eye enyoma bi. But ye nim ni say eba nkom hyedia. Na eba se wo hye nkomama MPP. Ana se eba se wo kan Ghana ebi esi na wo kan adwen afa wo no. Enu pelu timi gina so ka se oye stupid fake pastor.
Onse okay, can Proverbs chapter 9 verse 13. Ejibia se mo se nkwasi asem kokobo. Enkwasi asem kokobo. Onse ye wa gifo ni bia onyusu bibia bat osekawa. Ye were deep for you, mammy, mom, jeez. That we will bewura into the deep down to the prophetic word, Nankasa, and no more way. We go on your view, but in an we both left him at Kawash and nine. Obey them. One be actually obey them. At a year, son, Opa, and men almost shine you. A deep for just said, Jomo yem. Obey the coach, the top and now your cock saying shine. Maybe for 40 days, maybe 30 days, a strong apako yaba. Be pure person who be our baby. And you remember not now, so you better catch your jet. And also,
Odifo.
And I won't say, Ibrahim, me blame. What you say? Ibrahim, me blame. And I mean, support to the other bat. In shoot up on Chenia or to war.
Na Ibra one no e je na Ghana flyer na e je na we bro so be flyer no
Ghana Ghana for
na no dey ada pecha e na we be wu o chira we be wu o be reveal secret who dey sure say fame bi na brante we o pe ana e bia Ghana for do na aka say abrante no ase na adwenye correct
Ibra na be correct for 100%. Obi obeka say Ibra adwenye papa bi aboa na ni da ho na adwemu da ho we see. Unse me say enso tap on chenye oje wo kanye Ibrahim kwa na kasa sawo bebe na kasa wo mfa mpia bonje emfa ma social media enso tap on chenye a asese edru Ghana fo a akasa be tere do mapampam everybody see me di fo to say me ma so fo to say enti you go to the opposite side wo ye nyan di fo aye tuntum e dey
say tuntum
there you anye tuntum e be dey
fita
anye fita be dey enti wo mo ni ye enu mu shi no mo ban sometimes say me ye give for all right but sometimes erade ma on come sa on ka se be kind public o or dem come say the bob say wo bompai esi anu kwan Ena debia nam social media we share enu abaye odai
na se enkom share bi wo wa eye Ghana dia na ye Ghana dia so dey say etimu ga ye beka
wan Ghana enkom se be na Ghana
na ti say enkom share ba
ka tiro so munya nsa na enkom se ne nya adwuma Ghana fo munya nsa no na enkom se ne nya adwuma odi fo wi apetesi enu Guinness ni bi Golda Smirnoff Irish cream over so edi fo Papa, okay, Isaiah 29, verse number 7 to 9. Edi for the rinsa. And my betesinum kakabi tasi de kika don't kone, mese sensasa. Bible said, if for the hurry. And as a woman on Sabua, there is a spiritual, a was hard unity. A be almost spiritual eye. Obi a current you be able to testify to this. Or when Sana do their love be a once in the be. That no madam from Swaya be way before we are so air crack. And you for no answer there, Sandy Manima we are. It is a what we better not count us so when you give away, me I support that person because ye, Yamini phobia and your altar of confusion. But you for Jimmy didn't give what Quasiami were no prayer, Jimmy for or some more Casamaniam, and then Alpha Omega the Kai.
No correct.
Malachi chapter 2 verse 8 to 10. Or so deep for Biela, or so for Bia Johnson Mira and Bofo.
Now the mammy teacher a deep for no won't say a deep for ye Bible cassette. I same day free obi no man ban. Obebu one contact a deep for no. One would need one now say. One more shedder. I will find be so, and I almost chum one pa, and now deep for anyway.
Oh, never power. Odi for bi obe hu se oni nya di for konto kwa bi onya papa Bible say di for no hu se di for na so anka se di for nya di for ne ko The spirit of the prophet is subject under the spirit of the prophet di for no hu se di for na se to di for bi obe ma ne homo no so na oni odi for bi ku bia no onya papa mere sew o so for bi obe ma ne homo no so ani nyonko so for ba ku bia oni nya papa mere sew o so for bi na se be court or just a police station or never papa. Alpha. I was saying, Holy Bible. You challenge the do what your mom can answer. Or see me made for motor power, but spiritual, yes. And I see me made for many should our power, but what tackle my bones were attacking the empire, then tackling. Every kind is a doom and prophet no harm. Because only untouching. What touching and there are spiritual entities on attacking the pan. Once in a day, it is a deep audit in a bravo cum, now or your pure ever running one. At the end, you know. Now, me bow, say Mahama, every self from your son every day. About mammy chop money. A good for the Australian dean, me give for a chip and having a bushia, while mammy chop money pay. A challenge now in your software. Now we will cost any money. And I did from my MVP and also from my NDC. A big question.
No before.
Who said, Mammy me bow? Who said, Sammy, my number wait? There be and Passia 7 doors. Bible said, ye young Passia, Proverbs chapter 9 verse 13. Was in Passia 7 for what's an addition? So you give for now your project. Now, when you shoot a hawk, would you be as an intercession? Because for you will be an intercessor. Wow, Odima. And Jimmy Radio revelation ya Ghana tisu moja waso. And you will do one again or ya Ghana. What about Ghana for day? And challenge now when you know, but was so there. Now one pie and scam pie.
Only for my memory, one said 2 is better than 1, 2 heads are better than 1. 18 Kawono, Baby Ginemono, say what Babe declare. Na nyame ya dom na chese ye declare fasting ma the whole Ghana say mo pon pa yen go this direction say kan ye bad sao
me ka chere fasting ye no awrade antie o fasting akufo do be declare ye me so say awrade antie the otie bi bia ngo kai Isaiah chapter 58 verse number 1 to 12 o ye fasting tie o ye fasting o man Ghana pa e pelo to twa gambling pa e pen sanom pa e pen kwasiade pa e pa bo so di biabo. Who declare a total country? Yeah,
what did they say? Don't be dry.
Yeah, you only put your minimum halfway day. Yeah, I'm for seeing in your body. Makoye mo ritual sama mo demonic boss. Any ma boss mo ni mo nyoma ni mama. Mama be jire rade ni say rade asifita. Won say yi.
Say rade
me ba o ye alpha abeti. Os ontie odi boye ni mpai mo. Proverbs o si mi rade me so di boye ni mpai mo. Na tinfo mpai mo ni ye mani wa ni so. E ti body wa wo hwe mo jagu. Wo ye rituals incantations. What will you do for two young one? What do you want to bring a sense of that? You declare, I'm Ghana. Why you declare day? Why you declare day? One can't your man so many to cut. No one young Passia, so much ye. And the right more money more. Now, your mind or money tissue, I was on some of go my Ghana tissue, sir. When you say a Christian country. What you may this is much only kind, a good Ghana tissue, Sansana, I saw for another. I didn't saw for any answer. Think twice and be wise. Think twice. Yes, see, Mother Ghana. Mother Ghana, me find some Mother Ghana. Yes, Mother Ghana. And I will put us now. I appreciate you. When she be a pumpum, and I see the body Mother Ghana a Christian country. Christian country, when you couldn't say a pumpum. Big question.
A deep one. Once we are okay, deep. Now, a deep share a branch one. Nene ya wo ye se na msisi so no because as nene ya o ya kofa and na say o chani na so ye threaten ne kasatwe ne ye for fame and na say ye for them
unse akopeja de bia ba meme ayi one time ko ya nso no begun ye bom pa ya na honhom ka branch o ye froster o te mayira na o ye adwuma ma mpanimfo ni bi nipa no wuskat sawa na oyi nipa ni picture kire no me edi for me no hye ne o se da ofin se be bua ma me yi video ye transfer sika e de egu peni na account a yen akwa die se enu yi kire ni aso da mu o ka je so be to ka mama dem na si bo sika we me pa cha mu me wo horo be nsa e me nya me tie me so oye adwuma oye froster oye adwuma man panimfo ni bi ehye bi amanfo account musika e de gu pani na account e mo kokko gibi e reference pani na account mo kokko yi pani na koyi no mo se no so fa nse obe kan se ka obe kan se
ti ni awususu ale se ibrawan no wonim ya woka fem
you catch us ibrawan ye o catch us Debbie.
Enye bibia le ha no. Chese wonu na oye your person woye.
Your catch us ibrawan na du ka bibia aboa.
Because
oye genuine guy.
The honorable nya asem no. Na honorable chese was san yoma ko ye prison chese ma abrante abani neji. The busuafo the report by just ever to just abrante no. Chese yoma sheda mfasa. Na enu ti na ama ne ya wo ye no. Ghana for no so say we there. Say na the busuafo dey sembe to jana se sanity. Unse nowadays boys now ba na bibili na rituals. So did no one in one maybe motor. So they fraud the kaka.
Wow. Many motor ni did no one do rituals now. Every year no ebasa. Oh, the bet your partner say we year no you do flu better. Now come on something straight. Uni amfani omega ni kaka. Nowadays, the young boys and trend of my father say, money, fame, live or die fast.
Sir?
Money, fame, live or die fast. Oh, yes, you come in now 10 years later, will be whopping. So it's all about the youth, money making. Then to come, but you before so piano or when you're not so. So, the cool money. So be me moto so be me akotro e dia to oni enfa enye na sem enti wo ti be muni na wo be so bobra na wo shara de na kwa heaven no wo na dwen ho me mi wo mo dwen ho ano po obi di dollars shimi in money na wo dina wo dwen no
ya semo odifo one no odifo wo share ya banti kasa wo di koto ni page so wo san kan beto aso say no we di kan ya calendar say yeah president I question inauguration ebe kosui enya dia ebe ye possible so ye betimi asoro na into presidential seat no
me kan no kwenche
na enu no wasesi so say enya dia ebesi no twen pa na person me so di for why no di for yi there abranti yasem o dia to dwa say ye president enya dia ebe so na da no then I will susu found
ma me kan no kwenche sure India ye be sure in bibia ni we besi Momo dates, the beer will be see. A be smooth. Unse among for ambitions and targets, any aim a cost you too much. One, every number are rebelling things in Abba. Yes, surely in a new one. And no one, and
it's inauguration, swearing in the idea very possible. And in your brand, a black say, and BBC. Ain't possible, and no dear. Be a bit smooth. Be anyway, be anyway, King qua. Empty barrels, passos. Make the most noise.
Empty barrels, make the most King qua.
Now, therefore, what should say and never see up on your ya? Ya branty, a revenue subempa. Now, say revenue subempa free yammy. Say one thing I branty na esi. Now I me person who say a G4.
Me say
after 4. Yeah, one. Obi to no see what say was just for 4. Or you a D4 be. The papa ye papa na so was so an.
Who say you a D4 you were D4 kwasia 4. You were D4 ye G4. You were D4 abodan 4. Ezekiel 13 verse 1 to 7 kind. Jeremiah 23 verse number 9 edeba kopim 1 kopim 17 otra ko 25 a kopim 34 okan Hosea chapter 9 verse 7 to 9 okan ye were di for musem koma Lamentation chapter 2 verse number 10 echo os the di for the same koma woman kasa mo work out to them comes and abam.
That's a different passion but yen fan genuine pastors men of God
obey the genuine pastors and the genuine men of God.
Dear day, it's funny say, genuine men of God, genuine pastors, genuine prophets, Obiana no tono, is not so.
Okay, Obi the Bible way, about the preach ya fine. Baba will say, I'll find we go back at us on Yanidia. Obey them.
Odifo, the wood say, Papa now, when your papa now, different person, one say a bit more their own habits, habitual, something, one more dear woman, and say, and now what you was so full, just also phobia, or Gina will be a one of them, not to me too, and one of them person will shaman. Yes, I, the yano, a bit more yano, and one so so, and the one.
I don't know. Overlook your destiny forever and ever. Your Bible. And I call you a bit papa and mamma Tindian Winter. Ebia may a spiritual father to many. I must serve them diligently. But as yet, he said there's some a now a feeling can be any I don't know who saw it yamia. The altar. I may serve on Alpha and Omega version yet.
And no. Odifo, if you are our poor assembly, dear man.
Once I didn't say, if you are deep for him, free Amedia, or only deities, demonic altars, special yet. Bible said, on free Amia, Muntimem for Muate, our Bible.
Odifo,
only Panigina altar, so on free Mia, Muate, Namon Canre.
But the young men want to the foot to be a woman, a deal for no, any a yet in for no 1 hour, man, no, and so a year, a soft for no, a foot to be our father.
Mr. Ujidinia Hemi. Mr. says, one extra penny beer. Bible should be with them. The stubborn flies follow the corpse into the grave. And once in a or hard game, or you flee in a father coming in. Now, Mr. said, Umunya. Now, your home and so. Maybe a Bible cranon king kind Bible Buddha, and Suka said in Yami by ye. The men, the women of God who carries on and power of Alpha and Omega and Kasabi. Udia Tamaran said, Jina or Tanoso, they rather take your course and one. And a messenger, I saw for the different some open Vasiadium. And comes away a Munipayemu, a Munipati. enkom se bia na nyame asam so ansa na enkom se na ba obie nyame asam ebriti wi a ansa na enkom se na edi ekira ba se be sire mo ye ba ban ma sofo amadi kan yes Paul na wa man tem wa che di kanfo modi kan kama nyame adwuma che 30 years ebi 25 years ebi 20 years ebi 15 years ebi 10 years enka wo se muhunu di enkom se de enka be se enkom a Bible si fanyansa eto ho David ofo bi no odifo ne kɔ ne nkyɛn odi nyansa to ho ene ne kasa ti ade ntina mo ma yenye ne saabom na oma adifo ne bi a o mu firi nyame mu se firi nyame na o mama chimamufo e kasa bebere we ye hwan ye we ye fan kamera o edia na wo sem Bible said you be sem mi rade bi madwuma no se ya na me nso be sem o ye funti men se nyame adwuma ewi akete ya ye from a prophet Bernard Esia amida Holy Ghost and Fire Prayer Ministry ano eye Tuesday bia Esia e abeka Old Eleganza House mesraw empire ni akonchiri nyame asem tiridu Wednesday bia nso ye waka so CP Johnson eye Service of Glory Bible Chapel asori mesraw hunu papa ne hunu bone number betima reaching was 0249 631876 0249631876 and answer 020385163 020385163 peace shalom manuato
for any ashefo we dey wa we basumu a discussion here course we dey na wo fra wo wadwen kire ehun behia ja wadwen kire to your comment section or from me subscribe to Tuma GH every day can say dey won the pabebre e dey e mamo na fe wo like share e dey my na dey munia ba Moso for Messi count with the Inkita win beto ma so. Aha di mu besi. Na before me de manu besi kwakwa wonju me kom so ya se Mama Juliet Ventures. Oba bese wo kitchen wo ye ni ka bo mo def Mama Juliet Ventures no be wow. Ama wo kitchen chese e wo aye lovely. Afa loan master. Man loan within 24 hours the answer government worker e wo Ghana ha. Na fe to affordability. Loan master to dem rate ne there. Wo ma te so kra ma na ba for be wow. Ma we nya urgent money for urgent project. For aha and I'm the movie. That's ne ye besan Asia Macron.